Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Tronic document shredder, 220 volt with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. With a cable length 1.5 meters, documents, the manual. Here it is the paper and core feed, the indicator light, power blue, overheat red, and the switch off, auto, forward or reverse, and the telescopic arm. The output for the shredded paper, and you can install it at the trash bin. Auto, blue light, forward, reverse, auto, and obviously we need papers. Nice. Forward. Reverse. Off, reverse. If that is necessary. And that is the shredded thickness, 5 mm. Let's try 2 together. Why not 3? Yep, no worries. Now let's try 6. Nice. Forward. Auto. Oh my God. And here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 together. Nice. I really like how easy it is to use and how quickly it shreds documents, helping keeping personal information secure. In an age where identity theft is more common than ever, a cross-cut shredder isn't just a luxury, it's an essential. This Tronic model takes the stress out of spring cleaning your files. It's fast, relatively quick, and turns your sensitive data into unreadable confetti in seconds. If you are looking for a low-cost way to gain high-level peace of mind, this is a fantastic middle aisle find that gets the job done without taking up half the room. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more tech, office gadgets and everyday product reviews. Thanks for watching, stay organized, stay secure and I'll see you in the next one.